picture? Vlog gali ko, vlog ko ito dire.
Reminder of your collective dedication to academic excellence and ACI's relentless pursuit of self-improvement for all of you. In the heart of the
equipped with a gain of knowledge, skills, and attitude, but most of all, relevant experiences to guide you to become a true professional teacher. According to Nikos Kagantrakis, and I quote, "True teachers are those who use themselves as bridges over which they invite their students to cross." Then,
Ma'am, and our Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Julius Sol O. Hamero, and our Chairman of the Board of Directors, Ma'am Lucy Diris Chanreco Sagyasa, and our beloved Dean of College of Teacher Education, Dr. Noemi B. Gomatico, Ma'am, and our Dean of College of BSBA Visayas, Ma'am Fe C. Ortiz, our dearest faculty and staff, parents, and all graduating students. Thank you for being here today. Each of us graduating students, the first
Don C. Dumaong with Mrs. Flordelita Dumaong and Mr.
Today marks a significant milestone in your journey at ACI. As we gather here for this Lingham ceremony, we celebrate your achievements and reflect on the lessons learned and growth experienced together.
Is awarded to Supreme Student Government Officer John Christian Castillo.
Christian.
With the same certificate of recognition for the Supreme Student Government Officer, Terence Axel de la Tar.
Di ba? Sa 5P sa marketing. The price, the product, the motion, the place, the people. But we changed it to 5P. Pray, 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 and pray. Kana lang yun ang challenges sa ato karon. Because there are a lot of graduates in higher education. But the problem, asa ko yung trabaho. So you have to pray, my dear graduating students. So ahead